In this video, I'll show you how to list your business on Tripadvisor. So what we're going to do is go to tripadvisor.com, co.za, UK, whatever your country specific URL is. And we're going to scroll down till we see owners. And now we'll be brought to claim your listing. We need to type in a name. So for this one, I just made up this company name. And we're going to add a missing place. Then we'll be presented with a form. Here we need to put in that name again. Then which category describes our place. So I'll use things to do. And then what kind of place is it? I'm going to say it's a coffee shop. And you'll see that locks us out of a few options, not to worry. Then optionally we can add something else. We need to put in our address, which can be done manually or via Mapbox. Then we need to click that we are a representative of that place and hit save and continue. Once you're done there, you need to put in the contact and hours for your specific listing. And that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.